Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So, been in business since 2007. I started my career as a John Deere technician. I went to school for John Deere. I worked in a John Deere dealership for approximately 7 years. After 7 years, I took a different career path, which actually led to me starting my own repair shop. For a long time I worked on agriculture equipment, semi trucks, different things like that. Eventually got into automotive, right? As I went from a one-man band to growing a business of, we've hired 2 people this week alone, but as I've grown, and we're now like 18 employees, and we're hiring more. We'll probably hire 1 or 2 more next week. One of the biggest things that I've had to learn along the way, there's been lots of mistakes as a business owner that I've made. But one of the mistakes that I have made a few different times, and I'm getting better at not making it, but it's hard whenever you have a heart and you believe in people. But one of the biggest mistakes that a business owner can have, I don't care if you own a lemonade stand, if you're a retailer, you're an auto repair shop, I don't care what it is that you do. One of the biggest mistakes you can have, though, is hanging on to a team member after you've outgrown them.